Good afternoon. This is part 2 of my quest for 100 birds in a day here in Southern California. I showed you part 1 with the Bolsa Chica video last week. This week we're going down to the San Joaquin Marsh and Wildlife Sanctuary. Well, actually we went that same day, but it's a week later now. I had intended to go somewhere else, but I've spent too much time at Bolsa Chica. I'm not very good at planning out this 100-day thing. So this San Joaquin Marsh is still a great place to go. I saw a lot of birds there too. At the end of this video, we'll talk about how I did, and we'll also talk about I finally set some goals for the year, some of which are ambitious, some of which are possibly achievable. So we'll talk about that in a few minutes, but first enjoy these birds from the San Joaquin Marsh. The first bird I saw at the San Joaquin Marsh was this beautiful American avocet. Notice the curved bill and the way it sweeps through the water to get its food. I've kind of never understood how that curved bill helps, but it must, because boy, he's going at it. Here's a green-winged teal with a much better view than I had at Bolsa Chica. Maybe it should be green-eyed teal. Can't see the green wing here either. A nice green Anna's hummingbird without the rufous brownish color from the Allen's hummingbird at Bolsa Chica. I didn't really catch his pink gorget very well here. This is a Cassin's kingbird with his nice bright white chin. Of course, there's the omnipresent white-crowned sparrow. Red-tailed hawks can be a little tricky if you can't see their belly band, but his size and the white shoulders indicate his species. And once I get around to the front, there's his belly band. It is a red-tailed hawk. There are a lot of dabbling ducks at the marsh. I see all three teal, some shovelers, and a gadwall, but I can't find a new one here. Look carefully to find this little yellow throat flitting around in the bush. I'd felt confident of seeing some tree swallows here. That's a new one for the day. These swallows appear to be waiting for me to hurry on by so they can claim one of the nest boxes that are set up for them. I better leave them alone. This is a good flight shot of some white pelicans. Looks like they're pairing up. I wonder if they nest around here. Clark's grebes are always a pleasure for me to find. Note the bright yellow bill and the eye that's in the white part of their face, not the black part. One of the grebes swam a little closer. I think it's easier to see his eye location in this clip. Although it's hard to see due to all the brush, on this clip, these are western grebes. You can tell that the eye is within the black portion of the face, not the white portion of the face. Maybe it's a little easier in the photo. Besides the usual suspects, there are black-necked stilts and ring-billed gulls in this clip. Both of those are new for the day. Nice to see this pair of mourning doves out for a stroll. Black Phoebe, another neighborhood bird. Maybe I should have walked around my neighborhood instead of out here. I don't see this one in my neighborhood. Cute little blue-gray flycatcher. Check out the white markings on its tail and the eye ring. I'm seeing a lot of Say's phoebes this year. Hope they stick around during the summer. Now here's a real treat. Hooded mergansers. One male and two females. The male doesn't have his white hood up. You can see that line in his crest. He still looks sharp though. I wouldn't have included this pora clip, but it's the only one I've got of this immature common gallinule. You can see it on the back right. No red bill yet, but a different tail than the coots. This is a green heron, just taking it easy in the afternoon. This one looks a little more brown than green. What a nice way to finish up, a California thrasher. These can be hard to find, but it was working this bush with its mate, eating the berries. Most of the time they were buried in the bush, but this one popped out a little. They're in my neighborhood, but generally I only hear them singing before about 8 in the morning. Well, here's the results of both days, first at Boca Chica and then at the San Joaquin Marsh. And as you may have guessed, I'm far short of 100 birds. There's 12 new ones here at San Joaquin Marsh for a total of 59 on video for the day. By the way, did you notice that Caspian tern in the background of the clip with the stilt and the ring-billed gull? That makes the total for the day 62 birds. Pretty sure I heard a spotted towhee and maybe one or two others, but at that point, I'd kind of given up. Well, so far, I've failed on the 100 birds in a day goal, but I'm not giving up on goals. I've, in fact, thought of 5 of them. So you see, my first goal is 100 birds in California in a day. I've still got a strategy or two left I think might work. In fact, I have not just one, but 5 goals for the year. The second one is 200 birds anywhere in a month. I've got a couple trips planned, so I think this 200 might, in fact, be more possible than some of the others. Goal number 3 is really designed to get me out of the house and keep making videos. If I'm going to make my goal of a video every Monday, I got to get out there. Yeah, number 3 is a toughie. I think this one may be really difficult, but hey, you gotta make it a challenge, right? 400 anywhere. Might as well take a little video while I'm traveling, right? As I mentioned earlier, I've got a couple trips on the horizon. So 400 anywhere probably will be easier than 300 in California. I hope. All I can really say about this one is, why not? 500 is getting close to big gear territory, but I'm thinking if I can get close by the end of the year, maybe Gail won't mind if I run off to Arizona or Texas for 3 or 4 days and fix it up. Hey, possible? Once again, thanks for watching. I know I fell short on this try, but like I said, I got another idea or two. Don't worry about the goals. I probably won't make them all, but the real goal is to get outside, go birding, enjoy the outdoors. So I think I can succeed at that. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. See you next time.